Welcome everyone. Just making a short video about how to set up the Illumivue driver on Control 4. Today we're going to cover the NVR driver for the unit. So we have one hooked up, and what we're going to do is simply take the NVR driver itself and drop it into our camera room. The first time we do this, we'll take the NVR PTZ and the NVR camera driver as well. Drop them in so that they're on the processor. This only has to be done one for each. And then what we can do is delete those off. They'll be saved in the history of the processor. So this one's a little bit different. We're just going to put the one driver in here. We're going to type in our username. Put in our password for the local login to the recorder. And then we'll go to our connections and set our IP. Obviously, the recorder does need to be set to a reserved or static address for this. Give it just a second to pop online. And then when we go back to the design tab, we'll see our operation mode goes to OK. And so at this point, we just need to go to the Actions tab and hit Discover Cameras. And we're going to wait just a couple of minutes. It's going to actually communicate with the recorder and pull in the number of camera and or PTZ drivers it sees in response from the unit. Now note that it will pull in standard cameras for turrets, regular bullets, vandal domes, etc. If it sees anything varifocal or that is a true PTZ, it will pull in the PTZ version of the driver, so you'll still get zoom and pan tilt features. Now on the bottom, you'll notice it's just going to give you a bunch of cameras that are NVR camera by name. You cannot adjust it as automatic, but it will show you what channel that is set to on the recorder, so you can then go and name it accordingly. You can also tell it if you want it to pull the substream or third stream. The mainstream option is there for extreme cases. As you all know, most of the time we're not going to do that. The only recommendation for changes to the substream is I would recommend you change it to H.264. It does run a lot smoother if the customer is going to leave this open. And that is as straightforward as it gets. There's nothing else to installing the driver. It's very, very straightforward and simple. Enjoy and have a good day.